Ladies, real niggas still appreciate natural bodies. Don't let social media fool you. Don't let the BBL warriors fool you. Don't let these tummy tuck warriors fool you. Real niggas still appreciate cellulite, stretch marks. You know what I'm saying? Real niggas don't make fun of women that had kids and say, oh, she got an oatmeal cream pie or whatever. Last time I checked, you was supposed to eat oatmeal pies. Come here, girl. You know what I'm saying? That's what real niggas do. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my woman to be insecure and feel like she need to be a builder bitch. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to buy ass. You don't need to get no motherfucking concrete pumped in your titties and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? We can hit the gym if it's that fucking serious. You know what I'm saying? We don't need to take no risk, baby. Women done died on that bed trying to get surgery. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's do this shit the natural way. If you want to gain weight, goddamn, let's start eating. You know what I'm saying? Hey, a lot of you women lose weight because you're fucking with the wrong nigga. You fuck with the right nigga, he gonna put that weight on you. Listen to me.